Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz E300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one is the luxury line with the luxury exterior appearance and interior. Exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch wheels, black MB text interior with a burl walnut wood trim, ambient lighting, sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, driver's assistance package with Distronic Plus, active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, speed limit assist, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with the surround view backup camera with parking assist and sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, NFC wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 29,708 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 certified pre-owned E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.